Okay, now the computer and mobile version is very like similar. It's just that the mobile version is so much messier. But what you want to do is look at the bottom in the middle, click on your icon there, click customize, and here you will see your outfits. You click the gear at the top right and delete whatever outfit you choose. It's gonna say failed if you're trying to delete the outfit you're wearing or you've already deleted on PC. So just keep that in mind. And yeah, take care. Thank you for listening. I hope I helped. See you next time.